Whoa! Jordan is inside the snake house.
Whoa! Welcome to Jordan's Big Adventures. Check out this massive python. It's huge.
There are snakes everywhere. But wait, one of them is huge. Can you help Jordan find the giant yellow snake?
That's right. The massive yellow python gets the check mark for being the longest snake in the jungle.
It is time to go to the snake house to see all the snakes and the reptiles. Jordan is going to be so amazed by everything inside.
You need a snake? You have a snake? Oh, listen, I'll show you all the snakes he's got. I don't even work here, but I got you. Let's see. That's nice. Now you need your own.
You see the snake? Oh, you see that? Wow. I'm looking at the one on you. That one's heavy too, ain't it?
Yeah, she's kind of heavy. She's helping me by wrapping around me, though.
Is it going to eat? You like to do it?
No, she's not shutting. Two of them are right now, though.
Oh, wow. I think I'd be too scared to do that. She just gave that snake a kiss. And look at this now. It's a giant golden shoulder hug. Do you see those bright orange scales?
Look at the snake. Two on my top. Over top of it. And over top right here. Oh, I'm a rich. Wow, Jordan.
That's right!
Huh?
Right!
That is a snake.
See that? Santa Claus! Whoa, look at that. A super cool brown and beige snake wriggling by. He's got these awesome jungle patterns that look just like chocolate and caramel swirls. Is he playing hide and seek? But wait, check this out. It's a bright, glowing albino snake. He looks like a giant piece of neon sunshine or a big yellow banana on the move. Those yellow and white scales are so shiny. Look at those fuzzy, creepy, crawly legs. It's a real-life giant tarantula joining the party. He's got a tiny boots and a big furry body. Whoa, look at this little master of disguise. This ball python has the coolest chocolate and caramel swirls. It's like he's wearing a tiny jungle camouflage suit. Whoa, check out this neon ninja. It's a super dwarf python. Whoa, is that a giant wiggly worm? Nope, it's a hognose snake. Look at his funny little shovel nose.
That's big, ain't it, Jordan? See the turtle? Turtle down the bottom.
You've seen the fuzzy dot, you've seen the prickly. But are you ready for the master of the snake house? Whoa, look at that glow. It's the massive Alpinovermes python, shining like a mountain of pure gold. Those yellow and white scales are so bright. He looks like he's made of pure sunshine. He's huge, he's beautiful, and he's moving like a golden river through the jungle. Can you believe how big he is? Give a giant thumbs up for the golden king of the reptiles. Boom! Subscribe to Jordan Big Adventures.